Okay, today we are going on to AMAX, the first lesson.
Did you?
Did you went to WebEx? Okay, then you watch me here. Now, I'm talking about simultaneous equation, and that is found on section 2.1. We turn to section 2.1. Simultaneous equation. Now, during the last lesson, I gave you sort of a free run, right, of what simultaneous equation is about. Last year, you do two straight lines, correct? Now? This year, you're going to do a straight line and a curve. Okay? Now, let's take a look at how we solve the simultaneous equation here. All of you turn to page 28 of your textbook. 28. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you the presentation. You have to write the presentation this way. You cannot anyhow do. Now, let me just tell you, simultaneous equation is one type of question in the O-level that has formulas. Do you understand? Formulas is not to get A1, it's in order to pass. Understand? There are some topics in AMAX that is very difficult with formulas. Okay, this is one of the plans that you can handle. Everybody clear? Okay, now. Remember, I told you last lesson, look for the linear equation first. Which is the linear equation? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? 1. Which is the linear one? 2. Okay. So, you must write from 2, 1 is 1 minus 2x, right? Alright, okay. So, this one will become equation 3. Okay? I don't want those boys who think that they are very good and end up present a guy who I'm sure they will not do. Understand? Then substitute 3 into 1. Since I'm from 2, I will sub 3 into 1. 1. Okay? So what do I have? 1 minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 3 squared equals to 10. Now, students have no problem solving, but the thing is that they always expand wrongly. Once you expand wrongly, don't expect your answer to be correct. Is that understood? A tiny mistake can cost you the whole question wrong. Everybody clear? Now, I'm going to expand this up. This will become 1 minus 4x squared plus y squared. Remember your a plus b whole thing squared is a squared plus 2ab plus c squared. You must remember the 2ab. Cannot just say a squared plus c squared, that's the end of it. Get it? What is a minus b squared? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Remember. Okay? Alright, now next, let's take a look. Plus. Because it's a plus, it's okay, right? But if this is a minus, you've got to put a bracket, understand? If not, you will be affected again. What is a squared? 4x squared plus 2ab 12x plus b squared 9, right? I minus 10 equals to 0, right? I put minus 10 equals to 0, is it correct? Yes or no? Yes, I'm trying to make it into a quadratic first. Okay, now let's take a look. Can you see this and this is 0? Okay, so what do I have left? 4x squared plus 12x, what else? Equals to 0. Did I make a mistake?
No, the 4x.
What did I make a mistake?
The 4x was actually 4x.
Okay?
1 is 1 minus 4x.
There's one minus
Minus 4x, not 4x squared.
Oh, okay, my mistake. No wonder it looks strange. Okay, let's do it again. Minus 4x plus 4x squared, right? So it's my mistake. So it becomes what? 8x squared plus 8x, right? Is it 8x now? Yes. Then equals to 0. Is this correct? Correct. Now, you can just calculate like that, or you can say, because it's an equation, I can divide draw by 8, right? Okay? If I divide 12 by 8, I'll get this, right? Okay, so I will get x plus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 or x equals to negative 1, right? Now a lot of you, after you reach this step, you'll be happily ever after. It's not true. Okay, you must have this last step. When x is 0, y will be 1, right? You start into 3. Okay? How about when x is negative 1, what is y? What is y? Do you agree it's 3? Yes or no? So 0 and 1, negative 1 and 3, correct? Now how would you write your conclusion? Look at the question again, what did they ask for? They say what? Solve. So the conclusion was this. X equals to 0, y equals to 1. Or x equals to negative 1, y equals to 3. There are two sets of solution. Now, class, let me just warn you. You cannot write this up. Oh, no, not like that. You cannot write this. X equals to 0 or x equals to negative 1. Y equals to 1 or 3. Why I cannot write like that? Because if I write like that, right, it can be any combination. Can you see what I'm talking about? I cannot pair them off properly. You get what I'm sort of saying? No? In maths, you have to be very precise. Okay, what pairs off with what? You cannot write x equals to this or this equals to this. If it's like that, I can say 0 and 3 or what cannot. You never specify now. Right? Okay, so this question is solved. What if they ask for point of intersection? Then can your answer be like that? No, I have to have what? The points are 0, 1 and negative 1, 3. Understand? Got to read the question carefully. Are we clear? Are we clear for this first example? Okay, good. So this is the first example that we have. Alright? Can we look at page 29 at the bottom? The green box there. The points of intersection between the graphs representing a pair of simultaneous equations give the graphical solutions of the simultaneous equations. Now, if these two are the points of intersection, that means I will have like that, right? Where one point is one of them. Okay, I'll have two points of intersection. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, so first of all, you must identify the linear one, then you sub into the non-linear one. Never do the non-linear to the linear. It will never work. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Sub the line into the quadratic. Okay? Alright, this is your example 1. Now, I'm going on to example 2 and 3, and I want to give you one more example that is not in your textbook. Why?
So I think the line can go downwards.
Okay, now, this is just an example. You understand? The line needs to go downward, yes. Because why is it so? So I thought, right? Where is 0, 1? 0, 1 is here, right? Negative 1, 3 is here, right? So actually the line should go down. That's here. Then the curve is, I don't know what. Everybody clear? Can, huh? Okay, good. Now actually, when you draw a diagram to represent or to actually visualize, it doesn't matter if it's like the other way around or what. It's for you to visualize. Do you understand? When I come to equation of circles later, chapter 8, all the more you must draw something to visualize. Understand? Don't say I can imagine in my head. Your head doesn't work sometimes. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going on to example 2 now. Page 30. How about we look at example 2? Okay, let's look at page 30. Now look at the question now. Find the coordinates of the points of intersection between y equals to x squared minus 2x plus 2 and x plus y equals to 4. Which is the linear one? 1 or 2? 2, okay. From 2. Actually, it's a quite a time equation. Can you see both also coefficient 1? So it doesn't matter. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Correct. But I would like to make y the subject. Number 3. You make X also can. It doesn't matter. But why did I make Y? So that when I plug in here, I don't need to square. Can you see it? So sometimes in your head, you must do some calculations. It's okay if you do like that. But when you plug in here, can you see you got to expand and you got to square? You might make mistake. I'm telling you how to preempt so that you don't make mistakes. Everybody tell? Okay, so let's say I do this. So what will happen? Substitute 3 into 1. I will have 4 minus x equals to x squared minus 2x plus 2, right? Everybody okay? So I will have x squared minus 2x plus 2 minus 4 plus x equals to 0. X squared minus x minus 2 equals to 0, right? Alright. Straight away I can use cross method. Alright? So I will have x minus 2, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to 2, or x equals to negative 1. Okay, now that's supposed to ask me, Joe, must I show the cross on it? But your class has this problem. When I mark the exercise 1, it's straight away from the equation to give the answer. Cannot. You must show me the substitution with the formula. That means for this part, right, I must see the factorization, then the answer. If not, the answer will no marks. Do you understand? Because I can plug in the calculator and get the answer straight away. You must show me the factorization. Understand? Okay, so when x is 2, what is my y? Y is also 2, right? If I plug into equation 3, how about when my x is negative 1, what is my y? 5, right? So therefore, points of intersection will be 2, 2, and 1. Negative 1, 1. Very good. So you must answer the questions like that. Are we all okay? Are we all okay? Now, this textbook is very funny. They only give you questions where it's very nice one. Can you see all these are very nice one? They never give you substitution or an expression, right? That's why I'm going to give you one later. Do you understand? Because O level is not so simple. I think there's one year, I don't know last year or the year before, the O level came out, is you must form the equation yourself. You get what I'm saying? Once you form the equation wrongly, what's the meaning? You have the story, that's all. It's don't need to start the story conclusion with 0. Am I right? Okay, next one. Let's take a look at the question. Are we okay with example 2? Are we okay? Alright, next one now. We are going to form the equation. Okay. Can we all look at example 3 now? All of you look at example 3. I'll let you have 1 minute to read the question. 1 minute. Now I told you it's good to draw a diagram. Alright. So a rectangular car license plate has an area of 600 cm squared. This is the information given. The perimeter. Hello. The perimeter is 4 cm more than 10 times its length. Find the dimensions of this license plate. Dimensions is what? Length and breadth. Length and width. Now, I use the same label as the textbook so that when you read, you're not so frightened. Okay? Alright. Now, if this is L, this is W, this will be L, this will be W, right? Okay, class. First equation you form. L times W must give me 600, right? I need to warn the class again. Equation got no units, right? You don't go and put US dollars, CN squared on there. You must make sure it's consistent on both sides, that's all. Everybody okay? Alright, now, what did they say? What's the next one that they say? The perimeter is 4 cm more than 10 times its length. Now, of course, it's very difficult to form like that. Because what's the perimeter? 2L plus 2W, right? You can say L plus W plus L plus W. Then in the end, you simplify as 2L plus 2W. Okay? The perimeter is 4 cm more than what? More than 10 times its length. So this is the perimeter. So 2L plus 2W minus what must give me 4? Minus 10L. Agree? There are a few ways to form this. Some people like to form 2L plus 2W equals to 10L plus 4. Is this okay? It's also okay. It doesn't matter. It's the same form, they're equivalent. It's just that I want to follow like that easier for you. Everybody okay? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. Now, let's take a look at this. I will have 2W minus what? 8L equals to 4, right? Alright. A lot of you will start simplifying here. It's perfectly alright. But can you see that I can divide 4 by 2? This is to make my life simpler. Okay? I can divide 4 by 2, so what do I get what? W minus 4L equals to 2, right? So this will be my equation 1, this will be my equation 2. You don't have to call equation 1, 2, 3 until equation 100. No. Once you form, then you pick the one you want, you find the one you want. Everybody here? Okay, then you don't have to be so troublesome. Okay, so I'm going to write down now. Now I want to ask, which is the linear one? 1 or 2? 2, then you see, from the just one example until now, always the number 2 is the linear one. Does it mean it's always like that? No, depends on the equation. Okay? Now, from 2, W is 2 plus 4L. Okay? Talking to you. Yeah. Okay? So, substitute 3 into 1. L 2 plus 4L equals to 600. 2L plus 4L square equals to 600. 4L square plus 2L minus 600 equals to 0, right? Right. Can I simplify? Can I reduce? Yes, I divide by 2. Am I right to say that? Okay, this one can use cross factorization. 2LL. Then this is a 25. This is a negative 12. Can you see 25L minus 24L is L. And 25 times 12 is 300. Can you see it? Okay, now, supposing in the test, I cannot factorize. Use formula. Use formula, you will still get back the same answer. Do you understand? Use formula, you will still get back the same answer. Okay? Now, so I will have 2L plus 25. L minus 12 equals to 0. 2L plus 25 equals to 0 means L is negative 25 over 2, right? Or what? L equals to what? 12. Now, must we reject? What is L representing? Length. Can it be negative? No. So this guy will be rejected. Okay. Now, are we done with the question? Not yet. The question says find the dimensions. Therefore, length will be a 12 cm. Agree? What about the width? What was the width? Can you see from here? If L is 12, this should be 48, right? Alright, so how much? 50 cm. Can you see? Now how do we check if the answer is correct? You times or see whether the answer is 600. That's one way. Usually you all never check one. You get one funny fraction also, yeah, that's the answer. Oh? Everybody okay? Can you understand? very long one. Huh? Now, can you see that one of the steps will make one slight mistake? The answer will be totally wrong. Everybody clear? So what's the moral of the story? Be careful. Okay? Be careful. Okay. I'm going to give one question on the board. You're going to do it for me. Okay? I'll give you some time. Alright? This particular question, solve for me. You will see that the MS question, one question actually can be 5 to 10 minutes to solve. I will give you until 10:55, that's all. Try. Don't make careless mistakes when you do your work. It should be done with your Amex notebook. Did you bring your Amex notebook? No. Then you do it on the put some foolscap, then you punch it into your Amex notebook. Are you clear? Yes or no? Huh? How many of you didn't even bring your Amex textbook? Hands up. Can you remember to borrow, please? Okay. Alright, do this one. there, there's a lot of work. I told you can write improper fraction of this. You know what it is over there. You see, whenever you do this type of question, right, show something wrong somewhere. Do first, you miss me also don't use it. I cannot tell you the answer. Answer I can tell you, I cannot tell you the answer. How many find it's very tedious to do this type of problem? Yeah, very good. First chapter will be tedious, right? Next year will be more sense. We come to differentiation, integration, I think I'll just skip out of the classroom. Because there's more of your algebra. One more minute. I just want to let you try so that you know life is not so simple. That's all. It's not I want you to want to torture me or something. Later on, I will show you the answer. Don't worry. I will do for you and tell you what to look out for. Okay? Get the answer. How many are still trying to get the answer? Okay, stop trying first. Look at me. I will tell you how to make a life simpler. All of you look up. Now, which is the linear one? It's very obvious. Which is the linear one? One, okay. Correct? X is 1 plus 2y over 3, right? Now, what if you make y the subject? Is it okay? It's also fine. It doesn't matter, but it's a negative. Alright? Later on, you got to be careful, that's all. Okay? Let's call this equation number 3. Then, you sub 3 into 1. Agree? I'm talking to you. Okay, so I sub 1 plus 2y over 3 minus 2 square. I told you during the first lesson, don't go and say, wow, this square minus 2ab plus c square. You will just flip and fall flat on the ground. Do you understand? I'll teach you something here. LCM is 3, right? So this is a 1 plus 2y, correct? This will be a what? 6. This one I just leave it first, I don't want to complicate this. Now, this one will become what? 2y. What's 1 minus 6? Negative 5. Good. Over 3 square. Can see? Can see? I simplify things. Now, the other day I told you, if I have this, I square the top, I square the bottom, right? Correct? Yes or no, class? Okay, I'm going to clean off the answer. When I square the top, what do I get? 4y squared minus 2ab. So how much? 20y, right? Plus what? 25 over what? 9 equals to, okay, equals to plus. I'm going to expand this again, right? Correct? So what is it? 4 my next step. I should multiply throughout by what? 9. So 4y squared minus 20y plus 25 plus times 9 is what? 36y squared times 9 is what? What's 12 times 9? 108y times 9 is 80y plus 26 times 9. Don't get it, press the wrong calculator. 26 times 9? Yes. 2, 3, 4. I tell you where you make a mistake. Hello? You are times 9, right? Then only this one times 9, the rest forget to times 9. Again. Well, everything also must times 9 if not. Tiring. Over. Okay, now. Then let's simplify. What do we have? 40y squared. Is it 40y squared? Okay. What's this? Plus 88y. 25 plus 81 is what? Huh? Plus 106 minus 234 equals to 0, right? Right. So I will have 40y squared plus 88y. What's this? Negative 128 equals to 0, right? Can see or cannot see? Okay. Now, do we work with such huge numbers? Okay, you can factorize. I can divide raw by 8, right? Okay, I'm going to divide by 8. So I get a 5y squared plus 11y minus 16 equals to 0. This is the simplified version, the red one. Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Alright, good. Now, don't clean off the question. This one you already copied, so don't scream at me, alright? So, I will have factorize. Correct? So, I will get y equals to negative 16 over 5 or y equals to 1. Alright? A lot of you will live happily ever after also after this. But it is not the case. I have not solved it yet. It's only half done. So, remember this equation 3? Okay. When y is negative 16 over 5, x will be 1 plus 2 negative 16 over 5 over 3. This answer will give me a negative 9 over 5. Alright? Yes or no? Then, when y is what? 1. My x will be 1 plus 2 into 1 over 3. Answer will be 1. Now don't forget, now is yx. So therefore, x is negative 9 over 5, y is negative 16 over 5, or x is 1, y is 1. You must pair them up properly. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, I can tell you straight away here. From here itself, right, there will be mistakes. It's not so that you cannot meet your end point. Do you understand? Every step must be taken carefully, and you must look at it carefully. Alright? Can or cannot? Can or cannot? Feel one. Because after I mark forward, you are put in your next, I can see. But you are very careless. And so you insist on your own presentation. Now let me just tell you, if you insist on your own presentation and it's wrong, in the WA in the exam, I'm nothing wrong. No arguments. Because I told you in class already. Yes, mister? Times 3. But this is a square. How you times 3? Because to expand out there you can times 3. Cannot times 3 here, no? Because it's a 3 square, no? Uncle, you understand? You follow what I'm saying? Because to make sure everything is clear before you times 4. You understand? Can or cannot? Can, just like I asked you one question. You square first or you bring in the 4? before that. It's very mafan. I want 3.
And then it's
This one very mafan. So I must give a non-perfect square. Okay? Square first or bring in 3 first? Square first. Cannot bring 3 first, bring 3 first, die already. Understand now? Okay, then I want to ask one more question. This one is very crucial, okay? Some people a bit gong one when they do maths. When I think, okay, when x squared equals to 25, right? X will be plus minus square root 25, right? It will be plus minus 5, right? Square root got 2 answers. Every even root, for example, 4th root also got 2 answers. Because of 4 numbers. Now, if I say x cubed is 27, x is just equals to 3. No plus minus 3. Can you see? Odd root only got 1 answer. Because when it is 3 cubed, I get 27. When it is negative 3 cubed, I will get negative 27. It's a different answer. You must be careful. You cannot say plus minus, plus minus. Okay, a lot of people tell me this. Like that, right? Because instead of saying plus minus, so x will be plus minus cube root 27. So therefore plus minus 3 is confirmed rubbish. I can draw a circle and a square and a flower. Okay? Have you heard it clear or not clear? Okay, please don't make me sad. Okay, I'm not please. I feel like coughing blood, right? Like that. But this is my blood is being sad. Don't take bio, right?
Yeah.
Do some blood after dying. Actually, I don't mind dying. But since I don't, still alive, then must still not the maximum. Okay, it's very torturous. It's very torturous. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now, are we okay so far? Yes, Now, I'm going to give a set of homework on the board. As usual, you will be due tomorrow. But I will give you the time now until the end of the lesson. You should be able to finish one of them. Okay, 加油啊，加油 ！301 加油 ！Alright. Okay. What's the number of the contact page? It should be number 1, right? Okay.
Higher Chinese door.
Simultaneous version. Who's get paper?
Higher Chinese.
I want this question.